team. Hi, my name is Jennifer and I am living in Germany. 3 years ago, I was working as an accountant. I was behind my bills. I was being bullied at my working place. I was the only one looking like this. That shouldn't be the reason, but I wasn't happy at my working place. And apart from that, I used to come back very late to pick my children from school. I wasn't happy about that. I was looking for a way to earn an extra income online and at the same time gain time freedom. Then I found this opportunity on social media. I read the compensation plan and I decided to go all in. While I was working as an accountant, I was building this business. In the train, I would try to do something on social media. During my break time, I would try to do something on social media. While at home, after taking care of my children, I will try to do something about this business. And just 1 year and 2 months in the business, I became a director. And I then quitted that accounting job that has been giving me headache. I then quitted that accounting job that has been making me to cry every blessed day. And today, I have time freedom. Now, why did you need to join the business? This business has been there for over 50 years, exactly 51 years, founded 1970. And we are in about 30 countries and counting. On the 15th of December, we are opening Portugal. On the 17th of January 2022, we are going to open Czech Republic. You can see we are expanding. And not only that, when you join this business, you become your own boss. You don't work for anyone. It is not a pyramid. Don't forget, the person that brought me into this business, she was already a director. And today, I am a director. That answered the question that it is not a pyramid. You are your own boss. You become your own boss. And there is no shipping and there is no stocking of products. You don't handle payments. You don't collect money from customers. And immediately you join, you get your own personalized website. A website on your name with your own name. Absolutely amazing. And then you also have your virtual office. You have what we call health insurance. Your health insurance is being covered. What are you waiting for? In this business, you get support. The community is great. I don't know my upline. We don't work together, but I am a director. I work with sidelines. So when you join this business, people are there to hold your hands. I have a mighty team all over the world. I have a great team in the USA, I have a great team in Canada, here in Europe, in the UAE, in Mexico, in Singapore, in the UK, in Ireland. So where are you right now? If you are in any of these countries, don't forget we are in all the European countries. So no matter wherever you are, you only need to inbox me. Let me get you registered and then let's go out there to go take what belongs to us. This company is the #1 in health and wellness, the #1. If you're that kind of person that will love to help other people live a healthy lifestyle, get healthy, and at the same time you earn extra income, then this business is for you. We earn in 7 ways. Our bonus alone is about 155,700 euros kept for you to be collected. In pounds, 119,400 pounds kept for you to collect. So whether you're in the USA, equivalent to your currency. So what are you waiting for? The business is great. You earn commissions, you earn bonuses, like I said, you earn your performance bonuses, you earn your insurance, you earn it by building a team. If you want it to be big, you go out there and go build a team. And then we train every day. I train every day. I have quitted my accounting job. Yes, let me come back to my story. What have I gained personally by joining this business? I was working full-time when I joined, like I said earlier. But today, I have quitted my job. Today, I am my own boss. Today, I have time freedom. I have time for my children. I can be able to wake up whenever I like and go to bed whenever I like. I decide what I have to do with my own time. With this business, I have built a house for myself. With this business, I was able to buy myself my dream car. With this business, I was able to help my brothers and sisters that are living in Africa. With this business, I can be able to do so many things, travel around the world. I just came back from Paris last time. I just came back from Sweden. This is what the business can be able to do for you. What I also love about this business is the recognition. We do conventions twice every year and you will be recognized. You are going to win some intense incentives. You're going to win some bonuses. So if you're that kind of person that love traveling around the world, love recognition, love people giving you award, then this is exactly the company you need to say yes to. And don't forget, the company, they're into health and wellness. We're helping other people live healthy lifestyle. So what are you waiting for? Join my team. Join the destined team. Let's go out there and go take what belongs to you. No matter wherever you are right now, you are watching me. Yes, you can join this business. Let me show you how I was able to quit my accounting job and today I am at home. Join us today.